Hello friends, this is Salil again and today it is very special day for me. Special because I would be sharing some information for your safety. I got access to one manual which provides SOPs and guidelines for business to operate during COVID-19 situation. It is also very difficult time for all business owners which has brought tough time for their operations. And I understand that taking a tough call is more difficult step. We are still in the middle of pandemic and offices are gradually starting their operations. Many of the companies in India had to close their respective offices for almost 3 months now. And someday or the other, it will be necessary to start office instead of work from home. So my dear friends, I am going to explain you guidelines which workplace has to follow and you as an employee has to follow in your workplace. I repeat my friends, I will explain you guidelines what workplace and an employee has to follow. Business owners have to watch this video till the end and must forward this to their HR or admin team in order to get it circulated within entire workforce of your company. It's really very important my friends. First thing is about hygiene. Office premises must be sanitized regularly along with desk, desktops, telephone using good quality disinfectant. Listen carefully again. You have to keep your office premises clean along with all the desks. Deep cleaning is recommended twice or thrice a week in order to create infection-free atmosphere within the office. AC ducts, door handles, elevator buttons, toilets, WC and railings must be thoroughly cleaned. If hygiene staff is your own, then please make sure you provide them the clean personal protection kits and make sure they don't come in skin contact with anyone or anything at the office. If you have outsourced cleaning service, then please check with them they follow above policy and also discuss what better plan they have with regards to hygiene. Hope this is very much clear to you. And remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. Second thing is very important my friends, and this will decide the sincerity of your business. So listen carefully. Make sure sanitation equipments and apparatus are widely available in your office. This may include sanitizers, masks, gloves, thermal gun thermometer and biodegradable garbage bags. If you really wish to make your workplace safe, then distribute small bottles of sanitizers to your employees, which must be on their desks mandatorily. You may even distribute disposable gloves to employees, or if you are a marketing enthusiast or a pure business-minded person, then distribute free masks to your employees mentioning your company's logo on it. So, this is a two-in-one solution my friends. Also make sure masks are stored in a clean and hygienic place. You will have to make such arrangement or have a UV storage boxes in your office. If there are more number of employees in your office, then have temperature checks of your employees with thermal gun thermometer on regular basis. Hope second point is clear to you. So here is third point my friends. Listen to it very carefully. You must be associated with nearby hospitals or qualified medical practitioner. Yes, it is very much necessary to have a tie-up with doctor or nearby hospital which will help you in emergency situation. Many of business owners have definitely issued a group insurance mediclaim policy for their employees. Then please reconfirm whether it includes critical illness cover along with COVID-19 treatment. If you do not provide such package, then ask your employees to keep their respective mediclaim policy handy with them. This is my mobile app my friends. This is of my mediclaim policy in which COVID-19 treatment is very much included as you could see. Additionally, please circulate emergency contact numbers with your employees, which includes contact numbers of nearby doctors, ambulance service, police station or local medical store. Do whatever best you can or ask your IT team to update that contacts on employee's laptop or desktop wallpaper. Hope this is very much clear to you. Fourth point is also about employee safety. This can't be possible at all workplaces I know, as some offices are not big enough. But I still request business owners to try make this arrangement. Keep a small area of your office vacant to accommodate an employee to rest who faces sudden illness. It could be one of the conference room or recreation area I may suggest. This is a very important suggestion as patient may be one of the member from management as well, or it could be you. Please try to follow this guideline. Fifth point can make business owner a hero. This step can stop spreading coronavirus within your workplace or even throughout the city. As you know, cities like Mumbai, Thane, Pune, New Delhi, London, and even New York are worst affected in the world. These cities are also base for many corporates, and business owners in these cities might restart their operations. Employees come from different parts of a city, and there might be a case that one employee may get infected by coronavirus, and finally he or she might end up spreading it among employees, and God knows to whom outside office hours he or she may spread it. So, office must have well-maintained CCTV cameras covering almost all areas of workspace. This will make you track that how many employees he or she might have contacted during office hours. Some might be finding it funny, but this is really very important guideline to consider. Additionally, signages must be placed throughout the workspace, sending message of social distancing, cleaning protocols and recommendations. I am sure this is very much clear. If you are maintaining an attendance log or biometric punching machine, then sanitizer must be mounted beside it, which can be used before and after punching. While providing any training to employees, please ensure social distancing and possibly provide it on their desktop instead of boardroom. So, these are the steps which will make your office a very safe and happy workplace again. I know it is not enough information explaining to business owners. So, before any boss gets fed up with me, I will explain some guidelines to employees now. Sorry, I'm just kidding. So, here we go. So, my dear friends, office management will definitely make sure that you will be safe at your workplace. But you also must follow these few things and cooperate your employers. First and the most important thing, always wear the mask all the time while you're working, and keep sanitizer always with you. If you are without mask on our street, then these brave COVID warriors have right to screw your happiness in this case. So please follow this step. Additionally, keep on updating and do self-assessment test on Arogya Setu app. This is for my Indian friends watching this video. If asked by your employers to show your safe status, then please cooperate with them, and it is their right to ask that any moment. While entering office, insist security staff to check yourself on thermal thermometer gun, and while punching on biometric log machine, use sanitizers both time before and after punching. Get yourself checked, not thoroughly, but at least once with your family doctor to keep yourself safe. I always like to end my video with a good note, and good news for my friends in India and tourism industry is that beach destination Goa have already started to welcome you as a tourist. All you need is that your Arogya Setu app must be updated, doctor's medical certificate mandatory, and you must not have been infected by coronavirus within last 28 days even if you are well recovered. Well, I will make a separate video for how you may travel during and post COVID-19 situation. I hope you like this above information and this may help you in future. Don't forget to share this video with business owners in your network and stay tuned with TVB Traveler. Thank you very much for watching this video. You have a great year ahead. Jai Hind.